Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica J if you're new here, and I do home decor videos, lifestyle videos, DIYs. So if that interests you in any way, please consider subscribing. And to all my returning subscribers, hello, how are you guys doing? So today I have an exciting video for you guys, something new, something I haven't done before. And that is, we're gonna do a collaboration. And what's different about this collaboration is we're actually going to collab in person. So I'm not gonna give it away. If you guys haven't seen the other videos and you guys don't know yet, comment down below who you think the collaboration is with. All right guys, so we're going to meet up at Homegoods for a little challenge. I will let them explain. So if you guys want to see who the collaboration is with, if you don't already know, keep watching, and also give the video a thumbs up if you're excited to see this video, if you're excited for this collaboration, and let's get started. Okay, made it to Homegoods. You guys ready to see who I'm collaborating with for this video? Brenda, Michelle, hi guys. And Hannah. Hi guys. So we are gonna go to Homegoods. We have a little challenge. I'll let Hannah explain.
All right, you guys, so as you guys know and you guys follow our channels, we all have a very individual home decor style. So I thought it'd be really fun if we did a challenge in Homegoods where we each individually picked an item for that person. Then they have to go home and style it, blind reaction, style that item within their home. But what's gonna make this a challenge is seeing who knows each person's style the best. So that is a challenge.
Yes, it should be exciting. You guys wish us luck because you guys know how Homegoods can be. It can be a little picked over sometimes. So exactly. Yes. So wish us luck and fingers crossed that they have some good stuff.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Okay, so they don't have any type of coastal or beach theme, so for sure none of this will work. Okay, so this Homegoods is actually decent so far, so let's see if we can find something. If only if those were white and maybe no polka dots. Let me get this for Hannah. Just kidding. These are really great to put like remotes in, receipts, a little catch-all. You can put this on a coffee table book. The only problem is the gold looks a little cheap. Otherwise than that, I think this would go great in Brenda's house. I feel like you can never have too many coffee table books. The only problem is they don't really have any good ones today. I believe Brenda already has one of these mortar and pestle things, but I don't know if Hannah has one. I feel like we all love cutting boards. So let's see if they have any good ones. Oh, that's huge. That one might be decent. I feel like this is more for me, but I don't know. $12.99. So I'm not seeing a lot of stuff, so at this point I feel like I'm just gonna have to get creative and think outside the box, or get something maybe for the restroom, or maybe something for storage. Hey. Hi. Hannah! Oh my gosh, this is Brenda's table lamp, but in floor lamp. I think it's too high. So I know Hannah does like a lot of crystals, but you know, she has grays in her house. I'm trying to think if she has blue though. No, can't get that. guys, I think that's a wrap. I think we're done. Okay, we're done, and that was hard. What do you guys think?
Very hard. That was very hard. Very challenging.
I think what was hard was that we were very limited on inventory at this particular HomeGoods, so we really like had, I mean, at least for me, I feel like I really had to like step outside the box for each person.
For sure. I had to like kind of go away. Well, it still is kind of like home decor, but I kind of had to look in different areas that you wouldn't normally look in for home decor.
Yeah, that's true. It's always a challenge at HomeGoods, but this time I feel like it was more challenging than other days. They didn't have much stuff, guys.
It was fun.
But we did it. We did find pieces for each other, which we have no idea what they are.
No idea.
So I can't wait to go home and see.
Yeah, so I hope you guys all enjoyed the challenge. It was a challenge, but it was fun. So hopefully you guys felt that experience and, you know, felt like you guys were there. And I will see you guys later. Say goodbye to our beautiful ladies.
Bye.
Okay, we're back. Hannah and Brenda, they were amazing. Let me give you guys a little bit of tea on Hannah and Brenda. So how you guys see Brenda on her YouTube channel, that is the Brenda you get. That is the real Brenda. She's very welcoming and she's very warm. Okay, now a little bit of tea on Miss Hannah. Hannah, I already knew Hannah was a bad chick. I already knew that. But Hannah is so sweet. I could already sense that before meeting her. And you guys, we stayed after and just talked for so long. So we really got to know each other. We're all actually from Southern California and we don't live too far from each other at all. So it was only right that we got together and just our personalities just really meshed, and hanging out and talking and doing this collaboration just really felt natural and it just felt right, honestly. So I am very, very happy that we all were able to connect, and you guys will be seeing them again very soon. The rules were we had to go into HomeGoods and find an item that we thought represented the person the best. So I did not see what they got me. This is all a surprise, and I really can't wait to see what they picked. I'm gonna open Hannah's. Oh, I can see a little bit of it right now. Oh my gosh, this thing is massive. Okay. So again, this is what Hannah got me, and it is a decorative bowl with succulents. Oh my gosh. Girl, I did not even see this there. This is beautiful. You know where I can put this? I can totally put this on my table. I can put this in my backyard. I'm really trying to cozy up my backyard and get it ready for the spring and summer. I just really want to feel cozy and just really have that indoor outdoor feel. Really feel like this would go great on my outdoor coffee table. I love how it's white. That is all me, and I feel like it would really pop against my teak outdoor furniture. This is beautiful. She did good. Oh my gosh. Look how big this is. This is humongous. Thank you, Hannah, so much. You did really, really good. I love this. Okay, now we're gonna open up Brenda's gift. It's some kind of decorative item for sure. Oh my gosh. So she got this mirror with a pink quartz stone. Look how pretty this is. Okay, one thing about me, I actually really love earthy elements and bringing it into the house. And I just love those kind of things. So what's so funny is I'm actually gonna get a vanity made. I have a space in my bathroom for a vanity to go. So I want to get one built, and I actually want to change all the knobs to this brass color. So this would go perfect on that vanity once that gets built. So if I had to rate them, I would rate both of them a 10 out of 10. They did amazing. And not only that, it was really hard to get things at HomeGoods, you guys. It was a little picked over. So to get these items, I know was not an easy thing, but I think they did a wonderful job. Don't forget to head over to Brenda's channel and Hannah's channel to see their videos and see what I got them and see what they got each other. If you guys enjoyed the video and you thought this was a fun collaboration, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see more collaborations in the future with them or maybe other YouTubers. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.